In this video, I'll show you how to add a chat widget to your auto repair website inside GoHighLevel. This chat setup is part of my full auto repair GoHighLevel system. Check out the full build in the link below. Grab your favorite drink. Today is Friday. We got an Olipop Chris Apple here. All right, let's just jump into it. Go over to chat widget. So if we go back into sites here, in sites, you can actually go to chat widget, create a new. They got a couple different forms that you can set up here. So for the chat widget, that's what goes in the bottom right-hand corner of your website. A lot of times you'll see like the live chat, but the problem with that, if you've seen that on sites, is that it's not ideal because your customer doesn't stay on that website page to be talking with you. So what we want to do is a SMS email chat, and that will allow, once they put their email or their text in or their phone number in, it'll allow them to get a text message back to them so you can talk to them whenever. So that's kind of the idea with that. So down here in the bottom right, you'll see what it has for a default. We can come in here and change the style. So if we look at our website, they had some dark red in there, or ours we're building right now is blue. You can actually change it, different colors here if you want to change it. We're just going to leave it that blue for today. You can also change what you want it to say. We can change out the avatar here, that photo of the lady there. We can change it to the business owner of this company, or we could put their logo down there. There's a couple different styling you can do there. Title, intro, you can change additional information. There's a bunch of stuff here. But yeah, that's the basic of it for a chat widget. Once you set that up, you just click save, and I'll show how to add it real quick into the GoHighLevel website. So if you come back to your sites, go to websites, click on the website we were building, click on settings, and then see it says chat widget here. Let's go to chat widget 1. That's the one we just created. Save that. And now that website we were building here, go and refresh this page. It'll actually show the chat widget now in the bottom right. So now if we reach out to them, they can follow up with through text message or email, depending on what they put in there. This one we just did the phone number, but we'd want to add an email box if you wanted to email back and forth to them too. Also remember our link below, 30-day free trial. Just do it yourself and build the website. Or if you'd like us to build it for you, you can also reach out to us directly through our contact form, our website down below. There's another link there. Or just leave us a message and we'll reach out to you.